dear IITM family members, esteemed colleagues, friends, seniors, members of the IITM family, and all the young kids, and all my friends and colleagues. On the eve of the 76th Republic Day, I extend my warm greetings to all of you. On this day, in 1950, the Constitution of modern India was charted. This is a very important occasion for all of us to pay our tributes and respect our countrymen, freedom fighters, army jawans, leaders, and our forefathers for their sacrifices to win India's freedom. In keeping with the spirit of the nation, IITM has had a long history of important contributions in the field of meteorology. With the vision to be a global center of excellence through basic research and development on all aspects of the tropical, atmosphere, ocean, land, coupled system required to improve weather and climate forecasts, IITM has risen to this cause by delving into a diverse range of topics, each contributing to our holistic comprehension of the Earth's climate system and cutting-edge scientific problems in tropical meteorology and atmospheric sciences. The roadmap for achieving the vision has relied on continuously enhancing the following three components of the Institute: scientific understanding, infrastructure development, and human resource development. Below are some of the key highlights from IITM over the last 1 year. I would just like to inform that the list is very long, so it is going to be a long speech. So please pardon me, and I request your patience. And this being my last, also my Republic Day speech, I thought I should mention all the contributions by our IITM people, and I take this opportunity. Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, inaugurated the launch of high-performance computing systems tailored for weather and climate research and operations located at two sites, one at the Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, IITM Pune, and the other at the National Center for Medium Range Weather Forecasting, NCMRWF, Noida, on 26 September 2024. These state-of-the-art systems have been named as Arka and Arunika. The IITM system is equipped with a capacity of 11.77 petaflops and 33 petabytes of storage, while the NCMRWF facility features 8.24 petaflops with 24 petabytes of storage. Additionally, there is a dedicated standalone system for artificial intelligence and machine learning applications with a capacity of 1.9 petaflops. This enhanced HPC capability will allow us to refine the horizontal resolution of global weather prediction models to an impressive 6 kilometers. Further, regional models will achieve even finer resolutions of 1 kilometer or less over the Indian region, which will significantly enhance the accuracy and lead time of predictions related to tropical cyclones, heavy precipitation, thunderstorms, hailstorms, heat waves, droughts, extreme weather phenomena, as well as air quality forecasts. In addition, the new HPCs at IITM will greatly benefit the modeling and predictions of the monsoons on sub-seasonal to seasonal timescales, S2S, decadal predictions, and climate change projections using fully coupled climate models or Earth system models. IITM is a key organization in the recently launched Mission Mausam by the Ministry of Earth Sciences, Government of India, a transformative initiative aimed towards a weather-ready and climate-smart India, Viksit Bharat. The overarching goal of Mission Mausam is to improve the accuracy of weather, climate, and air quality forecasts across spatial and temporal scales by strengthening observations and integrating them into a state-of-the-art unified Earth system model being developed in India under Mission Mausam. Additionally, Mission Mausam aims to develop capabilities for weather modification research for the benefit of society and humanity. The Atmospheric Research Bed Central India (ARC-CI) facility located at Silkeda near Bhopal was inaugurated by Honorable Union Minister of Earth Sciences, former Union Minister Shri Kiren Rijiju ji on 12th March 2024. Several state-of-the-art instruments, including a C-band radar, have been installed at RCI for atmospheric measurements. A mini workshop was conducted from 12th to 14th, 2024 at IITM to deliberate and compile the MOES vision document for Viksit Bharat at 2047 during the Amrit Kaal. The workshop aimed to identify key thrust areas for MOES with detailed deliverables and pathways to achieve them. Dr. M. Ravichandran, Secretary, Ministry of Earth Sciences, provided an introduction to the MOES vision document for Viksit Bharat at 2047. The mini workshop was chaired by Professor Jagadish Shukla, Distinguished University Professor at George Mason University, USA, and was co-chaired and hosted by Director IITM. The discussions were conducted in two parts. First, the overall vision for MOES was deliberated in a plenary session with all the attendees. The group was then split into 4 breakout groups according to the attendees' expertise and feedback from the individual breakout groups, which was discussed in the plenary, and accordingly the recommendations have been prepared for the MOES Vision 2030 and 2047, which will be very shortly submitted to the Ministry. The Climate Variability and Prediction Group has developed the first version of the IITM Decadal Climate Prediction System. Decadal hindcasts or forecasts prepared from 1980 to 2023 are made available to the WMO Lead Center for Global Annual to Decadal Climate. A major achievement of Monsoon Mission 3 is the development of a new version of the Monsoon Mission Climate Forecast System based on the latest atmosphere, ocean, land, surface and sea ice components, which has shown unprecedented skill of 0.72 for the Indian monsoon rainfall. Under MM3, 22 projects were sanctioned, 12 national, 3 international and 7 academic institute or university projects. And this multi-institutional program is managed by IITM along with sister MOES organizations IMD, NCMRWF and INCOIS. The Dynamical and Extended Range our subseasonal prediction group has demonstrated skillful predictions of the active and break spells of the monsoon, rainfall and heat waves about 2 to 3 weeks in advance. Under the monsoon mission, the genesis, track, intensity and landfall of severe cyclonic storm Remel over the Bay of Bengal was forecast with a long lead time of 5 days by the GEFS T1534 ensemble forecast systems, and the forecasts were shared with IMD. The high-resolution global forecast model at 6.5 km, which is being run experimentally, also shows good fidelity in capturing the tropical cyclone genesis and track. The Center for Climate Change Research, CCCR, started preparations for CMIP-7, that is the Coupled Model Intercomparison Program, Phase 7, using the IITM ESM version 3, which has a TCO 126 atmosphere model, that is with a 67 km Gaussian grid, and high resolution ocean model 0.25 degree near equator, and the IPC, and this will also contribute to the IPCC AR7 process. And global high resolution projections using the T574 or a 27 km grid were also generated using the atmospheric version of the IITM ESM with CMIP-6 boundary conditions. Several observational studies were conducted, including GHG flux measurements at Kaziranga National Park and Pichavaram mangroves, Aries Nainital location, and also the Koringa, Kakinada and RCI Bhopal, near Bhopal. High altitude balloon sonde measurements of water vapor, ozone and aerosol backscatter from Nainital were also carried out. Measurements of land surface parameters, soil moisture, water isotopes, atmospheric trace gases and short-lived halogens across various locations around the world. Fundamental atmospheric chemistry studies were conducted, including quantification of the radiative impacts of short-lived halogen chemistry. New reactions of mercury in the atmosphere were discovered. Reduction in the uncertainty of the impact of sulfur emissions of oceans on the radiative budget of the atmosphere, contribution of shipping emissions to atmospheric composition, and this has led to several high-quality, high-impact papers from IITM, and a new paper published in Science Advances shows that almost half of the mercury deposited on the Earth's surface is chemically processed in the stratosphere. So these are all really state-of-the-art contributions, cutting-edge scientific research contributions from IITM. And a special observational campaign was conducted jointly with IMD during the 2024 monsoon season from our central India. As part of this campaign, 4 times daily radio sound measurements were conducted in 2024. Additionally, observations using the dual polarization C-band weather radar microwave radiometer profiler were made during the monsoon campaign and shared with NCMRW for data assimilation. Additionally, balloon measurements experiments for atmospheric composition and troposphere-stratosphere studies (BEATS) were conducted by CCCR at Art Central India in August 2024. IITM has also established India's first urban radar network over Mumbai metropolitan region, which was inaugurated by Dr. M. Ravichandran, Secretary, Ministry of Earth Sciences, on 14 September 24 in Kolaba, Mumbai. This urban radar network comprises of 4 X-band polarimetric scanning radars which are separated by a distance of approximately 30 kilometers and are located in Panvel, Vile Parle, Vasai Virar and Kalyan Dombivli. The Mumbai Urban Radar Network data is being shared with IMD for operational requirements. Another new X-band radar is currently being installed at High Altitude Cloud Physics Laboratory (HACPL) at Mahabaleshwar, which is expected to be completed around February or March 2025. And this Mahabaleshwar radar, together with the Mumbai Urban Radar Network, will be an important tool for understanding and nowcasting of severe weather events over the Western Ghats and adjoining areas. Under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative, the K-band radar at Art Central India has been revived in August 2024 by IITM in-house radar team with the help of the original equipment manufacturer ProSensing USA and Indian Industry Grow Controls Private Limited, Hyderabad. Lower atmospheric research using unmanned aerial system facility (LORIS UAV) field campaigns were conducted for atmospheric boundary layer profiling at Osmanabad. These are first of its kind from India. And the KIPEX report entitled General Document on Common Questions and Answers on Cloud Seeding has been published in 4 languages: English, Hindi, Bengali and Marathi, and is available online on the IITM website. IITM participated in India's maiden Arctic winter expedition launched by the Honorable Minister of Earth Sciences and successfully installed an electric field mill and Maxwell current antenna at Himadri. As part of the IITM disdrometer network, 4 new disdrometers were installed at geographically diverse locations: Port Blair, Lakshadweep, Agumbe and Dharamshala, representative of tropical maritime, equatorial oceanic, monsoonal and mountainous climates for comprehensive studies on rainfall microphysics. The Northeast India Observational Network (NEON) project has been started. Under this program, various instruments including an impact disdrometer, automatic rain gauge, rainwater collector, automatic weather station and micro rain radar have been installed at the ST radar facility, Guwahati University, Assam. Installation of 4 automatic rain gauges and rainwater collectors was also completed in Arunachal Pradesh. The Fluid Dynamics Lab at IITM has developed a universal drag model for smooth, well-bounded turbulent flows, and studies were conducted on generalized scaling and model for friction in wall turbulence. IITM established a Climate Data Archival and Distribution System (CDAS) server, which is an Earth System Grid Federation (ESGF) node for dissemination of climate change projections from the CMIP 7 for the next IPCC AR7. The CDAS server with 2 petabyte capacity at IITM was inaugurated by Dr. M. Ravichandran, Honorable Secretary MOES on 26 August 2024. IITM has added 8 new lightning location network (LLN) sensors to the existing network in different locations of India for monitoring lightning activities. With this recent addition, a total of 92 LLN sensors have been connected to the network. Lightning alerts are disseminated through Damini app, mobile app in 23 regional languages, which includes 8 new languages: Sanskrit, Santali, Mithali, Nepali, Manipuri, Odo, Sindhi and Dogo. With this updation, Damini app is available in all languages of the 8th schedule of our constitution. Continuous observations and modeling of air quality were carried out to support decision support system for air quality forecasting and mitigation in Delhi. IITM developed air quality early warning and decision support system for Rajasthan State Pollution Control Board and launched in June 2024 by Shri Bhajanlal Ji Sharma, Honorable Chief Minister of Rajasthan. Winter Fog Experiment Campaign, WIFEX 2023-24 was successfully conducted. A state-of-the-art aerosol lab was set up at IMD headquarters as a part of WIFEX 23-24. WIFEX experiment was expanded to Jewar Airport, Noida, and now a 21-member ensemble fog forecasting has been set up to provide more reliable forecasts. During 2024, IITM researchers published 211 papers with a cumulative impact factor of 770, and 22 have been published in January 2025 until now, in the last 26 days, and 13 PhDs were awarded from IITM. The H-index of IITM is 118. It's a very major outstanding contribution. Let us give a big hand. IITM organized several seminars, events, national and international workshops and conferences during the last year. The list is very long, including the Professor Ananta Krishnan Colloquium, IMSP Annual Monsoon Workshop and National Symposium, Activities under Mission Life, 9th International Day of Yoga, sessions for Varkaris of the Pandharpur Yatra, Karma Yogi Bharat on the IGOT platform, among several others. Various activities were undertaken for the promotion of Raj Bhasha, including the Vishwa Hindi Divas 2024, competitions on 5th January and 9th January 2024, and the National Raj Bhasha Scientific Seminar 2024, jointly organized by Agarkar Research Institute, CSIR NCL and IITM. Also, Raj Bhasha Utsav 2024 was celebrated from 1st August to 30th September 2024. IITM also conducted the Vigilance Awareness Program, Swachhata Hi Seva campaigns, Plantation Drive and free health checkup camps. IITM participated in the various science expos and events such as IISF Guwahati and Bhopal Vigyan Mela 2024 and the 150th anniversary celebrations of IMD, where a 3D demonstration model of Earth system, HPC Pratyush and Arca and radar and distrometer network, etc. was presented. IITM has registered under the One Nation, One Subscription bonus scheme since January 2025. Through this scheme, IITM will get online access for 30 major international publishers like Elsevier, Springer Nature, Wiley, IEEE, etc. Following the recommendations of the IITM Research Advisory Committee, a brainstorming meeting was conducted to develop a tropical biometeorology national program of national importance. This is a major development, and IITM is preparing a concept report for the tropical biometeorology program. IITM and Physics Meteorology Observatorium, DAVOS, or the World Radiation Center, signed an MOU in September 2024 to conduct joint research work to better understand the influence of solar radiation management on the climate system involving stratospheric aerosol injections using climate model experiments. A major international workshop, STIPMEX, was conducted at IITM during 2 to 7 June 24 to assess the influence of stratosphere-troposphere interaction processes on extreme weather against the backdrop of frequent extreme weather events and to explore future pathways for predictions of monsoon weather extremes. The STIPMEX workshop, jointly organized by IITM, MOES, WCRP, Spark and WWRP, WMO was attended by 301 participants from different countries along with 500 online participants. The Institute celebrated the 63rd Foundation Day on 17th November 2024 and was graced by Dr. M. Ravichandran, Honorable Secretary, Ministry of Earth Sciences, Government of India, Chief Guest, late Professor Berrien Moore, Director, National Weather Center, Dean College of Atmospheric and Geographic Sciences of Oklahoma University, and unfortunately he passed away just a month after being the chief guest of our event. And guest of honor, Professor Krishnan, INSA Senior Scientist, Adjunct Professor, Savitri Pune University, former Director, GMRT and National Center for Radio Astronomy. I just want to make some special mention about Professor Berrien Moore's compliments to IITM. Professor Berrien Moore delivered the IITM Foundation lecture, the GeoCarb mission, Understanding the Carbon Climate System. He greatly appreciated the excellent support by by the local staff at IITM, which made him feel very welcome, and the exceptional scientific team at IITM, which is sustainable and will only grow in scientific strength in the future. Professor Krishnan delivered the IITM Foundation Day lecture, Exploration of the Earth, Moon, Space and Beyond through a New Local Frequency Window. An important highlight of the 63rd IITM Foundation Day was the inauguration of the Dr. A.K. Kamra Atmospheric Electricity Observatory at IITM in honor of Dr. A.K. Kamra, who pioneered scientific studies on atmospheric electrical phenomena in India through systematic and innovative measurement techniques. The closing celebration of the evening, Virasat Ki Sham, Evening of Heritage, an extraordinary presentation of Indian classical dance Kathak, but by Pandit Jai Kishan Maharaj, Birju Maharaj Parampara, was magical. So during 2024, 25 JRFs have joined IITM, which includes 12 from the IITM JRF batch and 13 from the ACSIR PhD program. DESC successfully implemented the MOES Research Fellowship Program MRFP, and the 5th batch of 25 MRFP were recruited in 2024. A one-day workshop and brainstorming meeting on soil moisture measurements to modeling and scaling was organized by IITM on 26 November 2024. The meeting discussions focused on creating a pan-India soil moisture products. During March 2025, this is in the future, IITM will be hosting the 8th WMO International Workshop on Monsoons, IWM 8, jointly with MOES and the WWRP Working Group on Tropical Meteorology Research in cooperation with IMD, IMPO and Clivar Juex Monsoon Panel of the WCRP. I am happy to mention that our scientists, staff and students have won several important awards and honors for their outstanding performances and contributions. The list is very, very large and very long list. So I will just mention in particular Dr. Roxy Matthew Cole was awarded the prestigious Rashtriya Vigyan Puraskar, Vigyan Yuva Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award for 2024 in Earth Science. In sports, IITM achieved several trophies and delivered outstanding performances at the MOES Sports Meet at Invoice, Hyderabad. Congratulations to all the winners and also the participants who excelled in various events representing IITM. All these advances and achievements were possible due to the collective efforts of our scientific and technical staff, administration, accounts, establishment, PhD students, postdoc researchers, project scientists, LIP, HPC, purchase, workshop, Hindi cell, security, GA, transport, contract service agencies, canteen staff and support staff. I extended my congratulations, heartiest and sincere congratulations to all of you and the entire IITM family in Pune, in Delhi, in Mahabaleshwar and Silkeda and also Sholapur. Thank you all, thank you every one of you for your dedicated efforts, valuable contributions and services. I am very confident that IITM's achievements and contributions will reach greater heights in the years to come. I extend my very best wishes to all of you. I also take this opportunity to extend our profound gratitude to the Ministry of Earth Sciences, the backbone of IITM's R&D, as well as the IITM Society, the governing body, Finance Committee, and the Research Advisory Committee for extending valuable guidance all through. I especially thank our beloved Secretary, Dr. M. Ravichandran, as well as all the former secretaries for providing unwavering support, patronage, and continued guidance. My special appreciation today to the security personnel for making this Republic Day celebrations a grand success. Keeping the national spirit in mind and the goals of Atmanirbhar Bharat, let us all strive hard and work together in harmony to attain excellence and develop greater capabilities to address bigger challenges faced by our society and make the world a better place to live. Thank you all once again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.